Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay God kasi pinagtagpo niya tayo. Binigyan niya tayo ng dalawang chance at yung pagkakataon na magkaroon tayo ng forever. Noon, akala ko talaga wala na, finish na. Akala ko maganda na lang. Akala ko hanggang friendship na lang tayo. Mabuti na lang, merong second chance. Pinagtagpo ulit tayo ng pagkakataon. This time, nasa tamang edad na tayo. This time, kaya na natin.
Wide hearts open door. I was young, I was sure I could hear the singing.
I vow to be faithful and true, to love, cherish, and respect you as my husband. I promise to always find ways to make you laugh with my silly little jokes. Alam ko gusto mo yun. For 8 beautiful years, we've grown together, laughed, stumbled, and held on. And still, my heart longs for more.
Call me home as the ocean throws the water to.
Kung noon, nagbabago pa tayo para lang makita. Nagte-text muna bago dumaan sa kanyang bahay. Simula ngayon, araw-araw na kitang kasama. Hindi lang kasama sa bahay, kundi nakakasama na rin habang buhay.
And it's singing on and on. What's in my head, falling free like a simple song by ecstasy. It won't let up, on and on, a familiar sound calling home.
Gail, I promise na susuportahan kita. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng gusto mo. Susuportahan sa lahat ng pangarap mo. Susuportahan ang lahat ng gusto mong gawin natin. I promise to bring with you. Kahit ano pa yan, i-achieve natin yan. I promise to laugh with you. Papasahin kita, lalo na sa mga times na malungkot ka. I promise to celebrate with you sa lahat ng occasions and special events na dadating sa buhay natin. At sa lahat ng mga achievements natin. I promise to comfort you, lalo na sa mga times na down ka. Lahat ng mga away sa'yo, aawain ko. I promise to protect you. Magkasama man tayo o hindi, puprotektahan kita, pati na rin ang bubuin nating pamilya.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Finally, mahal, salamat at nagdesisyon na.
Dapat lagi kayong magkakasundo kahit anong problema, kahit mabuti o maganda, papor sa pagkasama.
Communication.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi.
I dream of a life spent side by side with you, 50 more years, or however many we're blessed with. Weathering every storm and celebrating every joy. Through every struggle and every trial. In joy and in sorrow. In moments of anger and moments of love. Stuck or growing. In peace or in chaos.
Iyo ako, palagi. Kung balikan,
Whether it's just the two of us or a house full of children, I vow to grow old with you, to learn with you, to forgive you and understand you. In your weakness, I will be your strength. In your strength, I will find my rest. I promise to stand side by side, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad. I will be there true until you're old and gray.
I promise to grow old. Kasamahan kita hanggang sa akin. I'm so glad na I get to this very beautiful life with you. Napakaswerte ko kasi nasa iyo na ang lahat. Ikaw na ang best friend ko. Ikaw pa ang napangasawa ko. Hindi ako perfect. Pero I promise to do what is right. Kahit nakapikit ka, hindi ko ako malipas. Promise, ikaw lang ang mamahin ko habang buhay. Love you.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling sigaw.
Pangako natin ang bagong kasal.
sa huli.
I vow to love every part of you, now and always, because you will be forever my hope. You are my greatest blessing from God, and I promise to love you faithfully for all the days of my life until my last breath. Love you.
Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman